we come to page number 126. First we solve the solved example that is given on page number 126. The example given to you is Rajeshri wants to get an inverted image of height 5 centimeters. Rajeshri wants an inverted image. So inverted image H2 of height 5 centimeters. So minus 5 centimeters. Kept at a distance of 30 centimeters from a concave mirror. So U is equal to minus 30 centimeters. U is always negative. Concave or convex, it is always negative. Remember this chart very properly. The focal length of the mirror is 10 centimeters. The focal length of concave mirror. So again, concave mirror, focal length minus. Now I will rub this table. Now only for this sum I am showing you how to see the sign conventions properly. So see very properly how to use the sign conventions. The height you want is inverted image, so minus 5, object distance is minus 30, and concave mirror, so focal length is minus 10 centimeters. At what distance from the mirror should she place the screen? So you have to find out V. Then what will be the type of the image and height of the object? So height of the object, so that is you have to find out H1. Okay, now how to solve this? Now see this very properly. I won't follow the textbook method that is done in the textbook. See how I am doing it. If you find this method easy, you can do it with this method, or whatever method you find it comfortable, you can do it. To make that very clear, I am showing you one method over here, but whichever method you are comfortable in doing it, you can use that method while solving the sum. Now, first of all, 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. This is my mirror formula. Okay. So if you want, you can write over here by mirror formula. One upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. I want to find V. So what I do, I am doing my method. If you find this easy, you can do it this way. I do it 1 upon F. I will take this 1 upon U this side first. Minus 1 upon U. Because I want to find V, so I kept V over here. And I am taking U on the other side. This is equal to 1 upon F is minus 10 minus 1 upon U is minus 30. Okay. Now what I do is this minus sign I bring it up over here. So I bring it minus 1 upon 10 minus into minus will give me plus 1 upon 30. Right. So this minus sign I brought up over here. Minus into minus will become plus 1 upon 30. Right. Now what I will do, I will cross multiply. I won't find out the LCM, I will cross multiply this. 30 ones are 30. So 1 upon V is equal to minus 30 plus 10 ones are 10 plus 10 upon denominator multiply both the numbers. 10 multiplied by 30. So 1 upon V is equal to minus 30 plus 10, minus and plus minus, minus 20 upon 10 into 30. Okay. Now you have to find out V. So make this reciprocal of this. So take V up. So when you take V up, this numbers will come up 10 into 30 upon minus 20. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30. So V is equal to, minus sign is there, V is equal to minus 15 centimeters. So this is my first answer. V is equal to minus 15 centimeters. Okay. Then I take my second formula. H2 upon H1 is equal to minus V upon U. H2 upon H1 is equal to minus V upon U. This is my magnification formula. Magnification formula, H2 upon H1 is equal to minus V upon U. H2 minus 5 upon H1 is equal to minus V. How much you got V? Minus 15 upon U minus 30. Minus minus cancels over here. 15 ones are 15 twos are. So minus 5 upon H1 is equal to minus 1 upon U. Now cross multiply. So H1 into 1, H1 is equal to 2 into minus 5. This minus sign and minus sign gets cancelled. So 2 into 5. 10 centimeters. So the height of the object is 10 centimeters. So my final answer will be, now is telling you to find what will be the type of the image. Now you are getting V is negative, okay? So the image formed is negative image, concave mirror. So negative image, concave mirror. See in the table very properly I have given you. The image formed is which image? Real image. And the height of object is 10 centimeters, right? So height is 10 centimeters and height of image is 5 centimeters. Therefore, the image is, object is greater, right? If you want, instead of writing this first, you can write over here H1 is greater than H2. Therefore, the image is diminished. So it is the real image and a diminished image. The image is diminished. This is the full way of solving your sum.